Mastering total quality control. Quality is whatever the organization says it is, and that's a recipe for disaster. What is its organization's definition of quality, and how does it align with the concept of total quality control in order to achieve operational excellence? An organization's definition of quality is crucial in the pursuit of operational excellence through total quality control, TQC. Quality, in this context, refers to the degree to which a product, service, or process meets or exceeds customer requirements and expectations. It encompasses not only the technical specifications, but also the overall experience and satisfaction of the customer. In the context of TQC, an organization's definition of quality serves as the foundation for its quality policy, which outlines the objectives, principles, and guidelines for quality management. This definition should be concise, meaningful, and communicated throughout the organization to ensure everyone understands the importance of quality. A well-crafted definition of quality aligns with the concept of TQC by embracing the principles of customer focus, continuous improvement, and employee involvement. TQC is a philosophy that emphasizes the proactive pursuit of quality through the continuous improvement of all aspects of an organization's operations. It recognizes that quality is not a static state, but a dynamic process that requires ongoing effort and commitment. To achieve operational excellence through TQC, an organization's definition of quality should encompass the following key elements. 1. Customer focus. Quality is defined by customer needs, expectations, and perceptions. Organizations must understand their customers' requirements and expectations to design and deliver products and services that meet or exceed them. 2. Continuous improvement. Quality is a continuous process of improvement, and organizations must strive to improve their products, services, and processes continually to maintain and improve customer satisfaction. 3. Employee involvement. Quality is a collective responsibility that requires the active participation of all employees. Organizations should empower employees to take ownership of quality and provide them with the necessary training, resources, and authority to make decisions that impact quality. 4. Process focus. Quality is achieved through the design and management of processes that consistently produce products and services that meet customer requirements. Organizations must identify, analyze, and improve their processes continuously to eliminate defects, reduce waste, and increase efficiency. 5. Fact-based decision-making. Quality decisions should be based on data and facts, rather than intuition or assumption. Organizations must establish a culture of measurement and analysis to ensure that quality-related decisions are informed by accurate and reliable data. 6. Long-term perspective. Quality is a long-term strategy that requires a commitment to sustained effort and investment. Organizations must balance short-term needs with long-term goals and prioritize quality initiatives that may not yield immediate benefits, but are essential for long-term success. 7. Culture of quality. Quality is a cultural value that permeates every aspect of an organization's operations. Organizations must create a culture that encourages and rewards quality-oriented behavior, recognizes and celebrates quality achievements, and views quality as a core competency. By embracing these key elements, an organization's definition of quality aligns with the principles of TQC, paving the way for operational excellence. This alignment enables the organization to establish clear quality objectives and targets, develop quality policies and procedures that guide employee behavior, design and implement quality management systems that facilitate continuous improvement, provide quality training and education to employees, conduct regular quality assessments and performance evaluations, recognize and reward quality achievements, continuously monitor and improve customer satisfaction. Ultimately, an organization's definition of quality serves as the foundation for its quality management system. which is crucial for achieving operational excellence through TQC. As I walked into the factory, I could sense the energy of the production line. Machines hummed, workers diligently assembled parts, and supervisors scrutinized every detail. This was a company that took pride in its quality, but I knew that there was more to be achieved. The quest for operational excellence is a journey, not a destination. My task was to help this organization implement total quality control, a philosophy that permeates every aspect of the business. I began by immersing myself in the company's culture, speaking with employees, and observing processes. It quickly became apparent that quality was seen as a departmental responsibility rather than a collective effort. I realized that the first hurdle to overcome was to redefine quality from a narrow, technical perspective to a broader, customer-centric approach. This meant shifting the focus from merely meeting specifications to delivering value that exceeded customer expectations. I facilitated workshops with employees to explore what quality meant to them and how it impacted their work. The breakthrough came when we framed quality as a promise to the customer. This promise was not just about the product, but about the entire experience, from initial contact to post-sales support. This paradigm shift sparked a sense of ownership among employees as they began to see themselves as custodians of the customer promise. The next challenge was to identify and eliminate defects in the production process. By mapping the value stream, we pinpointed areas of inefficiency, waste, and variability. I worked with the team to design and implement improvements, such as standardized work procedures, visual management, and real-time feedback loops. One of the most significant aha moments came when we introduced a stop-the-line authority for employees. This empowered anyone on the production line to halt production if they detected a defect or anomaly. At first, there was resistance - we can't afford to stop production - but I assured the team that this was an investment in quality rather than a cost. The results were astonishing. Defect rates plummeted, and employee engagement soared. As we continued to refine our processes, I emphasized the importance of continuous learning and improvement. We established a culture of experimentation, where employees were encouraged to try new approaches and share their successes and failures. This fostered a sense of accountability, as everyone was invested in the pursuit of excellence. The final piece of the puzzle was to integrate quality metrics into the organization's performance management system. We developed clear, measurable targets that aligned with the customer promise and made quality a key performance indicator (PI). This ensured that quality was not just a secondary aspect of the business, but a primary driver of success. Throughout this journey, I witnessed a transformation in the company's DNA. The phrase "quality is everyone's responsibility" became more than just a mantra, it became a lived reality. Employees took pride in their work, and customers began to notice the difference. The company's reputation for excellence spread, attracting new customers and talent. As I concluded my work with the company, I felt a deep sense of satisfaction. The pursuit of operational excellence is not a one-time achievement, but a continuous process of growth and refinement. By redefining quality, eliminating defects, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement, this organization had truly embarked on a journey of total quality control, and I knew that they would continue to push the boundaries of excellence long after I was gone.